Hello everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aftab and I am from Pakistan and I live in Minara Masjid. I am studying at the Muslim Model High School and I am the student of class 8. I have two brothers and four sisters and my favorite food are rice and mushroom. My favorite sports are volleyball and cricket. I like the spring season because the world is colorful and the weather is comfortable. And my favorite color is green like vegetable, grass and kiwi fruit. And my free time I like to play cricket. And my future plan is there that I want to become a medical doctor and serve the humanity. Being a doctor, it is very honorable and responsible profession. And I would like to specialize in cardiology because heart disease are very common now and a lot of people die of it. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shazib Khan and I am from Pakistan and I live in Peshawar. I am studying at the Muslim Model High School in class 6. There are 7 members in my family. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. My favorite sports are volleyball and cricket. And my favorite season is spring because the world is colorful and the weather is so comfortable. My favorite color is green like the grass and vegetable and kiwi fruit. In my free time, I would like to play cricket with my friend. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hamza and I am from Pakistan. I live in Peshawar. I am studying at the Government High School in class 9. My favorite food, rice and chicken. And my favorite sports, cricket and volleyball. My favorite color is green. And my favorite season is spring. In my free time, I would like cricket.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Benjamin, my father name Muhammad Bilal. I am from Pakistan. I living in Peshawar. I am studying Government High School and 9th class. There are 7 people, 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My favorite food, rice and chicken. My favorite color, green. My favorite sports, cricket and volleyball. Thanks you.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Awais, my father name is Nihayatullah. I am from Pakistan. I live in Peshawar. My favorite food, rice and chicken. My favorite sport, cricket and football. My favorite color is green. My favorite teacher and all teacher and institute. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ibrahim, my father name is Jalil Khan. I am studying elite school system at 9th class. There are 4 people in my family, 2 sisters and I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. My favorite sports is cricket and volleyball. My favorite color is green. My favorite season is spring. The world is color and the weather is comfortable. And the free time I would like to call the institutes and thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. This is me Zakir Khan and I am from Pakistan and I live in Peshawar. I am studying at Muslim Model High School and my favorite food is rice and chicken. And my favorite game is cricket and also volleyball. And my favorite season is spring because the world is colorful and the weather is comfortable. And my free time, I would like to play cricket game with my friend, and I want to show my future plan. I want to become a medical doctor. Being the doctor is honorable and responsible. And I want to do specialized of cardiology because the heart disease is very common now. That's why I will prepare the medicine of heart. Thanks.
Hello everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ismail, my father name Abdul Rahim. I am from Pakistan. I live in Minara Masjid. I study in Pathunha Middle School in class 8. There are 7 members in my family. I have two brothers and 5 sisters. And my favorite food are rice and chicken. And my favorite four sports are cricket and volleyball. And my favorite color and green, like the grass and vegetable. And my favorite weather, my favorite season is spring because the world is colorful, the weather is comfortable. My favorite shoes, is white, and because it's a good color. And in my free time I play cricket. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harun and I am from Pakistan. I live in Frontier Road. My school name is Muslim Model High School and class 9. My favorite season is spring because the world is colorful and the weather is so comfortable. My favorite sports volleyball and cricket, and my favorite dish is rice and chicken. And my free time I would like to play cricket. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I introduce myself. My name is Kashif Ahmad. I am from Pakistan. I live in Zangali. I read in class 10 and Muslim Model High School. My favorite food is rice and mushroom, and my favorite game is cricket and football. And my favorite season is spring because the weather is comfortable. And my free time I play computer games. Thank you, sir.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shoaib Khan and I am from Pakistan. I am studying at the Muslim High School in Shindrang. There are 7 people in my family. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. My favorite food are rice and chicken, and my favorite color is green. And in my free time, I would like to play game with my friends. Thanks.
Hello everybody, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sadiqullah. My father name is Niaz Amin. I am from Pakistan. I live in Zangali Nahar Gulabad. I read in second year in Government College, and my favorite color is white, and my favorite game football. If I have free time, I would like to play football. Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Midrar Afridi. My father name is Sial Khan. I live in Zangali. I am from Pakistan. I read in class 9th in Khyber Model School. I want to become MBBS doctors and specialization in cardiology. Because in my country the heart patients a lot of. Therefore we should make a doctors and in every field you can go to. And my favorite game is cricket. And I have free time. I play football also. My favorite color is blue. And it's also.
My name is Omar Zaid. My father name is Arfan.
What is your name?
My name is Omar Zaid.
Omar Zaid?
Yes.
What is your father name?
My father name is Arfan.
Arfan?
Yes.
And what's your school name?
My school name is the National Model School.
The National Model School.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Mike, let's round up the microphones. Take your seat.